gonna hike Mount Loki today. Starting this hike a little late, and I'm gonna try to make it home before dark. I'm not gonna bring my expensive camera up the mountain today. It's a little heavy. I don't want to bring that extra weight. This is gonna be kind of a rushed hike, and so I'm just gonna try to document this whole thing on my iPhone. The Kootenay Lake ferry across the way from Balfour. I'm not allowed to get out of our car because of COVID-19, so I'm gonna be sitting in my car for about half an hour. I missed this turn here, so if you see this sign, that's where you go, Mount Loki. So now I'm behind about 20 minutes. Okay, I successfully made it to the trailhead. That was a bit of a sketchy drive. I would not try this in a two-wheel drive like this one if it's recently been raining, but because it's been dry, the road was doable. Okay, here I go. Mount Loki Trail. I'm 1 hour into the hike, and I got to this viewpoint. There's this sort of opening. Definitely a steep hike. Huh? I'm starting to understand why they call this Mount Loki. Loki was a Norse god in Norse mythology. He was a trickster. And Mount Loki has all these false summits where you think you're about to get to the top, and then right behind what you thought was the top is another top. This is pretty sketchy terrain. Loose rocks, sheer cliff faces, but man, what a view. So I'm back at the trailhead almost. Boy, this hike kind of kicked my ass, I'm not gonna lie. First of all, I was stupid and I assumed there would be a water source up here. So I brought my Be Free water filter bottle, but there's no fucking water up here. So all I had was like one little bottle of water that I brought with me just in case, but that was not enough for this hike. And so I started getting dehydrated about 3/4 of the way up. I started to get really thirsty. Definitely bring your own water if you come up this way. As for the hike, incredible view at the top. I didn't actually get to the summit today. I got to like the second highest point. I was just too dehydrated and fatigued and dizzy to go any further. So I stopped and rested at the second highest peak, flew the drone. I would not recommend this hike to anybody who's a beginner. This is a double black diamond hike. It's hard. Yeah, I think I've been up here for about 6 or 7 hours now. I'm looking forward to getting back to the car and driving home and going to sleep.